and welcome back to the new video of this channel. So today I will be solving a problem which is maximize the cut segments. It's a GFG problem. So let's see the problem statement. So problem is saying that we have given given an integer and denoting the length of the line segment. You need to cut the line segment in such a way that the cut length of the line segment each time is either x or y or z. Here x, y, z are in integer form. So after performing all the cut operations, your total number of cut segments must be maximum. Okay. So no segments, then if no segment can be cut, then we have to return 0. So this is the problem statement. So let's see the example. If we have given n equals to 4, it means we have 4 length rod. Rod we can say we can understand it like a rod. We have a 4 length rod and we have to cut it in such a way like it will be maximum. So we have three choices. Either I can cut in x equals to 2 form, 2 length, or I can cut it in one length, or I can cut it in one length. So you can see here we have three choices कि मेरे को चॉइस क्या दी हुई है कि मेरे को x इक्वल टू 2 लेंथ में भी कट कर सकता हूँ, y इक्वल टू 1 लेंथ में भी कट कर सकता हूँ और z इक्वल टू 1 लेंथ में भी कट कर सकता हूँ, बट द कंडीशन इज कि ये मैक्सिमम होना चाहिए. ठीक है. सो अगर मेरे पास 4 लेंथ की रॉड है, इफ आई वांट टू कट इट इन मैक्सिमम way, like I can cut it in such a form like 2 plus 1 plus 1, because फर्स्ट मैं 2 लेंथ का काट लेता हूँ, देन 1 लेंथ का, देन 1 लेंथ का. सो द टोटल लेंथ इज 4 and the cuts lengths are 2 and 1 and 1. Then we can make a maximum 4 segments each of length 1. Okay. Let's see this example. N equals to 5 and we have three choices like x equals to 5, y equals to 3, z equals to 2. So here what I can do is I can cut it in such a way like y equals to 3 form, 3 length की rod, then again z equals to 2, 2 length की rod, 3 plus 2 is 5. So two two steps I am taking. Like here total length is 5 and the cut lengths are 5, 3, 2. We can make two segments of length 3 and 2. So two steps ले रहे हैं, 3 length का then 2 length का. So total number of steps is 2. Maximum number of steps I can say. So you can see the expected time complexity is big of n and expected auxiliary space is big of n. So you can see here we have three choices. Either I can use this, I can use this, I can use this. It is something like recursion is there, because if choices is there, then recursion will be there. And if recursion is there, then I have to think about optimal solution, that is DP. So you can see y equals to 1 and z equals to 1. If I will make a recursive tree, and I am not making a recursive tree till now. But what I will do, it's for you. Like तुम recursive tree बढ़ाओगे तब n equals to 4. After like subsetting y equals to 1 or z equals to 1, there will be two cases. N will be 3 and n will be 3 for this also. So here some repeated cases will be there, the repetition will be there, so we can use GP also here. So let's do the code by using DP also, memorization. So by doing the code I will tell you about the all the code, why I'm writing that code. So vector int एक बना लेते हैं DP, जिसका साइज क्या होगा n plus 1 comma minus 1. Now what I will do, I'll create a function int मान लो आंसर इक्वल टू सॉल्व नाम का मैंने फंक्शन बना लिया, उसमें पास कर रहा हूँ मैं n comma x comma y comma z comma dp also. So I'll check like what my answer will be. Return maximum of answer comma 0. मैं maximum जो होगा उसको रिटर्न कर दूंगा. ठीक है. Now let's make a function int solve. In solve function I'll pass n x y, sorry, y, and it will be z and it will be dp. So it's a function. Now I have to write some base cases for this. So the first base case can be if n is less than 0. अगर मेरा रॉड की लेंथ ही नेगेटिव हो, in that case I can simple return int min or 0 you can return. because if you return int min also, then it will be answer. If you return int min, then answer will be int min, and maximum of int min comma 0 will be 0. So in that case you can return 0, means my answer will be 0. If n equals to 0, my second base case will be if n is 0, so the total number of steps will be 0. If dp of n is not equal to minus 1, it's a basic condition for memorization. So in that case I can simply return dp of n. Now I have three choices. int a मान लेता हूँ, solve function and in solve function अगर मैं x length को यूज कर रहा हूँ, so it will be now n minus x, क्योंकि मैंने x length यूज कर ली है, comma x comma y comma z comma z comma dp. नाउ द सेकेंड थिंग इज कि अगर मैंने एक्स लेंथ यूज कर ली है, तो मेरे को बाई लेंथ भी यूज करना चाह रहा हूँ, तो बाई लेंथ यूज कर लेते हैं। ठीक है, नाउ अगर मैंने बाई लेंथ भी यूज कर ली है, तो मेरे को सेकेंड थर्ड लेंथ विच इज जेड लेंथ भी यूज कर लेनी चाहिए। बट हम एक चीज देख रहे हैं कि हर एक लेंथ को यूज करने पर मेरे को एक को बढ़ाना पड़ेगा, वन स्टेप तो बढ़ाना पड़ेगा। मैंने एक्स लेंथ यूज कर ली तो मेरे को वन स्टेप बढ़ाना पड़ेगा, तो तीनों में मैंने वन स्टेप बढ़ा दिया। नाउ माई आंसर बी डी पी ऑफ एन इक्वल टू मैक्सिमम ऑफ ए कॉमा बी कॉमा सी, इन तीनों का जो मैक्सिमम होगा वो मेरा आंसर होगा, और आफ्टर दैट आई कैन रिटर्न डीपी ऑफ एन। सो नाउ आई थिंक it will run perfect. Let's compile and run it. Yeah, you can see it is giving me correct output. Let's submit this. Yeah, you can see it is passing all the test cases. So what I've done is basically how I can think about recursion or DP. So you can see we have three choices. So if choices is there, then I have to think about recursion. If recursion is there, then I have to optimize the solution, and the solution can be memorization or it is basically a DP solution, dynamic programming solution. In memorization, you can also optimize the solution. So it's a memorization solution. मेमोराइजेशन सॉल्यूशन मैंने किया क्या है, जस्ट एक बेसिक डीपी बनाया है और मैंने बेस कंडीशंस लिखी है। बेस कंडीशंस आर वेरी सिंपल, एन लेस देन जीरो इंटरमिन कर दो, इक्वल टू जीरो, सो जीरो स्टेप्स, and this is a basic condition for memorization, and these are three steps that I have to follow. X length use कर लो, Y length use कर लो या Z length use कर लो, और after that I have to maximize my solution, and after this I'll return my DP. So that was the simple solution, and if you find this helpful then please like, share and subscribe. तब तक के लिए bye.